India, the country which doesn't just wear fashion, it wears its history from the snow capped peaks of the Himalayas to the sun drenched shores of South India. India is a living canvas of culture. Every fold of a fabric and every stitch of a thread tells a story of heritage that spans thousands of years. Join us as we journey through the vibrant colors and timeless elegance of traditional Indian attire. Let's start with the region of East and Northeast India, comprising of 8 sister states: Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland, Sikkim, Tripura, and the other states Bihar, Jharkhand, Odisha, and West Bengal. Our first state is Meghalaya. Women wear ginseng, two-piece wraparound garment, and men wear jimpong, a sleeveless coat. Nagaland traditional attire varies across Naga tribes, mainly includes hand-woven shawls denoting social status. The Mekhala, a wraparound skirt for women, and men wear shoulder sashes, aprons, and knee-length lungi. Sikkim. The traditional dress in Sikkim reflects its diverse lepcha booty, a long loose cloak style garment. Men wear it with a cotton silk belt, while women wear it with a silky blouse with striped apron. Arunachal Pradesh. More than 26 diverse tribes featuring hand-woven cotton and wool fabrics in red, black, and yellow with geometric patterns. West Bengal. Men traditionally wear dhoti and kurta. Women wear a white sari with red border. Let's move on to North Indian attire, which is a rich blend of vibrant colors, intricate embroidery, and head-to-toe varied drapes that change as you move from mountains of Jammu and Kashmir to the plains of Punjab. Jammu and Kashmir. Kashmiri Firan is a traditional dress here. It is a long, loose-fitting gown, typically made of wool and intricate embroidery, with pashmina shawls. Ladakh. Ladakh's traditional dress is designed for harsh winters. Men wear goncha, a thick woolen double robe, and women wear sulma, a colorful gown with pleated detailing. Punjab, an attire that is epitome of elegance. Men wear kurta pajama or lungi with a turban. Women wear patiala salwar suit with fulkari dupatta. Himachal Pradesh. Himachali attire is a blend of woolen and vibrant cloak. Kinnauri shawls with Himachali topi. Rajasthan. Known as Royal Desert Heritage, bright colors, intricate embroidery. Women wear ghagra choli, a flared skirt and blouse with an oni, while men typically wear dhoti, pajama, angrakha, that is a wrap-style top, and a turban. Let's move on to western states of India. Gujarat, famous for the mirror work and hand embroidery. Women wear chania choli. Men wear kediu, a short frock-like top, and chonno, loose cotton pants like dhoti. Maharashtra, attire rooted in Maratha heritage, famous for Nowari sari for women and dhoti kurta with a feta for men. Let's look at South Indian attire. Kerala, combination of pristine white and gold palette. Most famous element is kasavu, gold zari border. Women wear kasavu sari and men wear mundu, long white garment around waist, and jubba, traditional long-sleeved shirt. Tamil Nadu, the world's famous Kanchipuram silk sari and classic veshti are worn by women and men of Tamil Nadu. Elegance isn't just about what Indians wear, it's about the heritage they carry. Thank you.